This welding technology converts weld time from what is traditionally hours to literally minutes, resulting in consistent, superior quality at a 40 to 60% cost savings. Our state-of-the-art fab shop weld technology allows us to perform 40 to 100 mid-range diameter Schedule 40 welds in a single day, depending on the number of shifts utilized. As a full-blown ASME code fab shop with in-house QA/QC managers, we perform all of the weld procedures you can imagine while utilizing not only robotic weld technology, but also MIG, TIG, and SMAW, and within these processes we utilize pulse MIG, spray MIG, as well as RMD, reduced metal deposition, and high frequency for aluminum. Our robotic technology is capable of diameters ranging from 4 to 42 inches and schedules ranging from Schedule 10 to Schedule 160. With regard to metallurgical capabilities, we retain ASME certifications on carbon steel, 1 1/4 and 2 1/4 chrome, stainless steels, and duplex stainless steels of all types, Pastaloy, titanium, Inconel, and P91 or 9 chrome. Simply email a sketch or drawing file to pipefab@raganmechanical.com and we will promptly contact you to discuss an expedited cost estimate.